Stop applying for jobs that you don't really want. I'm going to give you some tough love here. I know that you're unhappy at work. You've been doing the same thing for a long time. You want change, but you have no idea what you want. So the first instinct is to go to the job boards. And this is a huge waste of time. So I want you to think about what you really want. And if you aren't clear in terms of what you're going for, you're going to the job boards and you're looking for more of the same that you're already doing, and you know that you're unhappy, or you are looking for things that sound really interesting and you kind of go down the rabbit hole and your inner critic talks you out of it because you don't have this skill or that experience. And so then you're often go back to the day job and you're like, well, maybe it's not so bad here. So I don't know if that sounds familiar, but I'm going to give you a couple of tips to help you get out of this cycle of applying for jobs that you really don't want. So the first step really is taking a bird's eye view in terms of what you're doing and getting some clarity. So, first of all, asking yourself, what's working here? Like, what in my day job is working? And the other obvious question is, what's not working here? And also getting to the heart of your why. So, why are you wanting to leave? And this is really going to shed some light and help you get a little bit more clarity. Now we're going to want to get a little bit more creative and envision your ideal working day. So, imagine your dream job. Like, where are you working? What are you working on? Who are you working with? What skills are you using every day? So this is going to give you a little bit more clarity in terms of like what that ideal working day looks like. And what is your ideal work life? So there are some requirements that you might need in order to move, and some of those are, salary requirements. What are the benefits? The work schedule. I know a lot of you are looking for, more freedom and flexibility. What is the company size? So some people love to work for startups because they love that all hands in. Other people are wanting more structure to their day and working for a bigger, more established company. What is the career track? Are you looking to stay and grow with a company or not? And are you wanting to work more with service industry, like more of a service? Or more of a product, right? So really getting clear on those details. And then of course the nice, the nice to haves. And some of these are important, like what is the work culture? And is it casual? Is it formal? Like banking as opposed to advertising, where it's a little bit more creative, a little bit more casual. What are, maybe there's some employee perks, ping pong, or is there free food all day, things like that. Is that important to you? And what are the growth opportunities? So some people like to go to conferences, right? So that might be something important that you're looking for in your next role. So once you're kind of clear on these details, it's going to help you make a little bit more of a targeted job search, and you're going to be able to update your resume and your LinkedIn to reflect this new career direction and what you're looking for. You're going to be able to refine your marketing channels. Networking conversations are going to be a little bit more clear because you're going to know exactly who you want to meet and what you're asking of those people that you're networking with. And so, of course, not just applying online, you're going to be wanting to get out there and have networking conversations in person, networking, events and things like that that are more aligned with where it is that you're going. So you need to have clarity before you do any of the job search, especially if you don't know what it is that you want, because you're just wasting your time when you're going to the job boards. You are going to get frustrated, and then you're going to go back to your job, and it's going to be, like I said in the beginning, like it's just going to be that cycle, and you can be there for years. So take a couple of my tips, take some time to really think about these things and get clear. And if you need support, this is how I help my clients. I help them get the clarity. And once we have clarity, it's going to be a lot easier for us to make a really targeted job search plan. So I'm going to, put the link in the comments below to book a 15-minute call with me. I'm going to ask you a couple questions to really get clear on if or how I can help. If I can help, we'll take the next steps. But really looking forward to connecting with you and learning about what you implemented from this video.